Tornado on the ground. We have a tornado on the ground. Oh my gosh. We're in Millsap, Texas, near Mineral Wells. You can hear the sirens in the background, and we have a large tornado on the ground.
We got debris in the air down there. You see the debris?
Not where I'm filming. Oh, I see it. There's debris. We have debris.
Yeah. Debris is
Oh
in the
no.
air.
I hate debris.
I don't know what it's hitting.
Oh,
it's hitting something.
it is hitting. Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh, you want to?
Oh, it's picking back up maybe? Oh my God.
Yeah, there's stuff
Oh my God.
in the air. I don't know what it's hitting. Those are birds.
Those are birds, yeah. Thank goodness. Oh no, I think it's in town.
Oh, I hope not. Oh, wow.
Pulling back up. Oh no, there's debris on the ground. Look close, look close, look close.
What?
Look at the ground.
I know. It's right there. I don't see it much anymore. I see it over there a little bit.
Yeah, you can see it whipping through the trees down there.
Yeah, you can.
I don't know if I have it on yours. There we go, I got yours.
Wow. It's roping out.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's roping out.
Get moving? See if we can get another one?
Yeah.
Alright.